Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a focused set of strong vocabulary words. Once chosen, note each word's nuance, part of speech, and intensity so you know when it fits. Then, write a simple context sentence for each word to test meaning and tone, use an everyday scenario. Make sure to aim for clarity, not showiness, because precise usage beats fancy words. Finally, prioritize 3-5 target sentences you will improve first, and keep the list visible while you write. Once done with your targets, replace weak words with the stronger alternatives you selected, making sure the replacement matches grammar and meaning. As you edit, vary forms, use the noun, verb, or adjective form to preserve flow, because rigid swaps produce awkward sentences. Pay attention to collocations and prepositions that typically accompany the word. Read each sentence aloud. Hearing rhythm reveals misfits. Make gradual changes, then compare the original and revised sentences to confirm improved clarity and impact. You finish by refining sentences for rhythm and tone, read them aloud and listen for stumbles. Trim excess modifiers and unnecessary clauses so the strong word stands out. Concise phrasing enhances power. Once polished, ensure register matches the audience, formal words for formal contexts, conversational words for casual settings. If a word feels forced or unclear, swap it for a simpler strong synonym and recheck the sentence. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, test the sentence on a peer, or record yourself to catch unnatural usage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.